Some people are stupid and I just hate them, and I know that hate is a strong word. That's why I chose it. Some absolute clown shoe left this dog tied to a fence in the middle of Hurricane Milton. You know, the one that flooded out half of Florida? Luckily, the police got to the dog and they were able to save it. They were able to take the dog to a rescue, and the dog is doing halfway okay right now. They renamed the dog Trooper, A, because he's a trooper, and B, because he was saved by a state trooper. And they found the idiot that did this to the dog. You know how they found him? He was stupid enough to have seen his dog on a post for the Humane Society, and he went in with pictures of the dog and tried to claim the dog as his.
State Attorney Susie Lopez is now pursuing animal cruelty charges against the individual.
Unfortunately, these charges are Florida state charges instead of federal charges. If it was a federal charge, they'd be looking at 15 years. In the state of Florida, they're only looking at 5 years in prison max. Humans don't deserve dogs on our best days, but when people do stuff like this, I'm absolutely disgusted. I hope that dog gets a good home. It deserves nothing but the best.